Very good Tuesday evening, folks. I'm NTV Chief Meteorologist Eddie Shear with a quick look at your forecast as we head into tonight and tomorrow across Newfoundland and Labrador. First things first, Wreck House wind warning in place for tonight into Wednesday morning, as it looks like winds in the Wreck House are going to gust close to 100 kilometers per hour. Looks like those peak winds will be overnight tonight into the beginning of tomorrow morning. After that, winds do begin to slacken off somewhat as the winds start to relax. It's all from this area of low pressure, which will track west of Labrador overnight, helping to generate those southeasterlies. In Labrador, some rain and snow expected overnight as the low pressure center, warm front and cold front begin to move in. Just a few showers across northern sections of the island overnight. For the latter part of the overnight, we see rain getting closer to the western coast of the island, but it still stays pretty quiet. Clouds certainly are going to be abound. And then for tomorrow, some rain across southwestern Newfoundland, edges toward the west coast during the second half of the day. Across Labrador, warm in the east, colder in the west though, on the east and west sides of that stationary front. Any precip across Labrador comes to an end, looks like mid-morning tomorrow. Temperatures in eastern Labrador will begin to rise overnight. In the west, they begin to fall. Across the island, showers in the west and dry for central and eastern and most of southern. And then for tomorrow, temperatures moderating in the afternoon to near 12 degrees in Gander, 10 in Corner Brook, 8 in St. Anthony, 9 in Cartwright tomorrow. Western Labrador much colder than the east on the western side of that stationary boundary. And across eastern areas of the island, it's going to be the tail of spring, which is always the sea breeze. So by 3 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, it's going to be fairly mild in areas like CBS and Holyrood, Bay de Verde, St. John's, Witless Bay by then all turning colder because winds become easterly off the water. The sea breeze develops because the land is warmer than the water, and cold air has more pressure than warm air, and that pressure differential drives that colder air on shore. Just within a few kilometers of the coastline, but just enough that areas along the east coast of the Avalon tomorrow are certainly going to be a lot colder than areas just inland. Stark difference between Witless Bay and Holyrood tomorrow afternoon. So certainly keep that in mind. If you want to get out on your motorcycle tomorrow, go for a bike ride or even a walk, the east coast of the Avalon, not the place to do it. Stay west. Have a great night, stay warm, and I'll see you tomorrow.